what you do to my hair. Who knew that looking a mess could feel so good? I like what you do to